how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, first of all, you will have to add any particular person with whom you want to trade the stickers as a friend. So for that, just simply go to the option of friends at the bottom right hand side corner, and in friends you will be able to find three different options like contact, Facebook or invite. Just simply invite your friend. If that particular friend is on Instagram or some other application which is not shown over here like the Facebook, just simply invite them using your link. For that, just simply click on invite, and after that click on invite again. Now you can just simply select any of the particular application where you want to invite them, and after you add them as a friend, you will be able to trade these stickers with them. And for that, just simply go to the option of album at the bottom, and in albums, on any particular sticker which are more than one, then you will be able to trade them. So in order to trade these stickers, you must have more than one sticker of the same sticker. Only after that you will be able to trade them. And whenever you will select that particular sticker, you will be able to find the option of trading with friend. So this way you would be able to trade these stickers, but make sure that you have updated your Monopoly Go. Only then you will be able to find that particular option. And this is how you will be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.